that, in a couple easy steps, we have our sugar cookie dough. Grab a little ice cream scoop if you're going to use that, or a nice little tablespoon, or if you just want to do it by hand and by eye, like I do sometimes, just go ahead and we're going to dive in and we're going to start rolling out about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoon sized cookie dough balls. Then we're going to roll in some white sugar and place on our baking sheet about an inch, inch and a half apart. And then we're just going to load up our cookie tray with some sugar cookie dough balls. Your cookie tray is loaded up with sugar cookie dough balls. You go ahead, pop that in the oven and let bake for a good 12 to 15 minutes, or until your sugar cookie tops begin to slightly crack. So our cookies have baked, they've cooled for a good 5 minutes. I've already started to eat some. I was like, ooh, sugar cookies, I'll have my coffee and start eating cookies. No, I gotta share the cookies with you. So we have our delicious, yummy, soft, perfect sugar cookies. They just have that nice sugar coating on top, and they have that nice cracking and perfectly round because I use a cookie cutter after they bake to kind of just, swirl them about. Maybe I'll share that tip in another video coming up. Ooh, so be sure to ring that bell. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these sugar cookies. They are my favorite snack, especially, I know I say this all the time, but I love my coffee and I love pairing my coffee with yummy desserts, but they are my favorite dessert to go with coffee. They were just so good. If you like baking videos and if you like sugar cookies, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes and sharing desserts with you guys that you all like, you want to see more of, and you want to try yourself. And if you want more tasty, yummy recipes, be sure to click subscribe down below and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any tasty recipes I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. And of course, don't forget, if you make your own sugar cookies or if you make your own holiday festive treats, definitely give a tag on Instagram and let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go back to eating my cookies and drinking some coffee, enjoying the day. I hope you all get to do the same, and I will see you all, as always, in the next video very, very soon. Bye!